The armoured general found in Pit 1 of Qin Shi Huangdi's mausoleum in 1980 is of major significance for an historian investigating ancient Chinese culture. His appearance gives an insight into his high rank and social status. His hairstyle, armour coverage, his stature, and the indication that he was holding a large bronze sword help historians to understand the social pecking order of an ancient Chinese army. The style of the armour, clothing, and shoes he wears indicate the manufacturing techniques and available materials of the time, such as the use of metals like bronze and iron, cotton, silk, and leather, and their knowledge of smelting, lacquering, alloying, sewing, and weaving. The armour, being very protective and heavy duty, suggests that at this time there was a high battle frequency, proving that war was an important part of ancient Chinese life. His attire also gives an indication to historians of the climate of the era. This particular terracotta warrior figure, being a primary non-written source, can be carbon dated, which is how we know he is from the exact time of the Qin Dynasty. After testing the clay, an historian could see the presence of a chromium oxide coating, which shows how skillfully advanced the ancient Chinese craftsmen were, as this method of preservation has only commonly been used since the 1800s. Most obviously to a historian, the use of terracotta shows that clay was a commonly used material and that the skills of pottery, statue making, and kiln firing were also commonplace practices in ancient Chinese culture. His face is totally unique, whereas when you compare him to the other terracotta figures found alongside him, his limbs and body seem to have been made in the first form of production line manufacturing, which is another significant learning about the Qin dynasty. For all these reasons, both the terracotta armoured general himself and the warrior he represents have a clear significance on our understanding of life under Emperor Qin's rule and of ancient Chinese culture, and would definitely help an historian investigating the significance of this incredible period in human history.